Paul Ross presents 20A May St Bayswater. This stunning brand new Ventura built home is a superb residence offering all the modern features with a location that is extremely sought after. You will enjoy a low maintenance lifestyle and a home with deluxe finishes throughout. The open plan living, dining and kitchen flow seamlessly out to the alfresco area. This is a fantastic space for entertaining family and friends or just relaxing on your own. The kitchen is equipped with a stainless steel 900mm oven and 5-burner gas cooktop, plumbed fridge space, stone benchtop with a waterfall end, ample cupboard space and a breakfast bar. The master bedroom has plush carpet, a walk-in robe and a beautiful ensuite with twin vanities and a large shower. The remaining 2 bedrooms also have plush carpets as well as mirrored door wardrobes. A separate theatre room with a coffered ceiling gives you the option of a quiet retreat or a potential 4th bedroom. Other features include LED downlights throughout, convenient shopper's entrance from the double garage, ducted refrigerated reverse cycle air conditioning, a paved alfresco under the main roof, low maintenance reticulated landscaped gardens and so much more. With all the hard work done, all you need to do is move straight into this beautiful dream home or invest in your future and add this quality built home to your property investment portfolio. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.